Well, I can see that CP so telling come say to me, Jabra say, yeah, they offer try to crowd or bedroom Jimmy straight to me, the bro, make out say, no number pound Diana in Numuni no time Pim Sabre. We are so grateful, Bibiada. I say we appreciate you so much. Yache, Sikani be so Marifi, Sika star 281 hash. Na should media system demand number the amount. You know, you start your day right, Sikadie, and no one a Bema. In the option 4, now if you watch tickets, no number of watch, not as many as you can. It's just 5 Ghana cedi. In the ticket be 5 Ghana cedi. You dial it star 281 hash. Now I select the option 4. Now if you be also come at the amount now if you watch into maybe we now ubunya sika into sika get ready. Now I say Joy Business. And the University of Gold Coast, Ayrton Safra say Gold Coast Leadership Conversation no Ekoso. Na Adoma the 22nd of March. It's in Koma ye say Global Leadership and Corporate Governance Strategies for Sustainable Business Growth. Guest speaker say Sam Jonah, or a renowned business leader and a statesman. 29th of March, so global leadership in Komoibedi, action and Kasabe, harnessing Commonwealth Partnership for Economic Growth, Kasa ma the Kasa which mediase, a name for Shelley Ayoko Bochi, Secretary General, Commonwealth, and Obekaswase. Biane Gold Coast Hall, Accra Business School. If you are not on Kuno, I call Mpensenpensenmu. If you want to be part of this very important seminar, first number 0260 50 0444, and I say www.ugc.edu.gh/event. Not what to me anyone editing it on. Very, very important. So be a part of this program. MRM fee if you've just joined Sika star 281 hash. Now option 4. Na what me choose na be akokama kane your deputy foreign affairs minister kane our excellency to South Africa Kuruno chese Ghana nsianemu ni to South Africa brana na Akufo-Addo wosono ene oko Ebrem constituency ono ana oye Emrashebejani on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party or no. The young for
Aquamahine. Yeja.
Official passo.
Finko between.
Bibia Boko.
You mean the Madaroma.
Good. Well, Nicholas doesn't need. Nicholas is a member of parliament. Or no, they will do the Kruma. The billboards, ne Sahosa. I'm saying opposition and MP na time. Opposition MP then. And then no, onya sika ye billboards this. Wow. We came on come of informers hey, with the Bonnie boy team and our MP nim kakra. I would Nicholas Abakwa, thank you. Always a pleasure to be talking to you. Bibi Iboko. My constituency feel oh, honestly, that one I give it to them. Because me nyabere wo kronum didi nkomo but almost nkomo bi amedi bia no. They were saying a lot of pluses for you. So your humility, they've seen it, they've acknowledged. Say only omo ye pepe, and it was interesting. Only ya newaha was the slogan, you know. Only ya na only always ya bahasi ya, you know. To unyami share, not keep it up and work in their interest for their good. That's the most important thing.
Thank
you know. And the me say ampa. They are challenging moments, but they say or anybody they need papa. Etiasi. His Excellency, a former ambassador of Bekano, who would you carry? Although don't know is a janka.
Is it a janka? Oh my, mini papa, mini mommy. Oh, my dear,
a janka also. Oh no, Philip cry to be a janka or what? A Johnny Manu, a Johnny Uno.
My mobile, my
mobile. Oh,
Yamiadum.
Be a come Yamiadum. Be beyond the number question. Oh, Mom say, I wish him more.
Oh, yeah. I think Cheba.
I think Cheba.
And Chebia 2028, Baba.
beba
intino
na eba say nyamodia nyame ye adom no the film ya ademo ye guarantee say 2020 nyamodia
oh yenye guaranteed but then ejuma ye beye no eno ho say ejuma pa de oya nyame hira so aha bebre na enu omo ho you know oh yeah bebre mo manto aba no bebre no omo ho.
But how do you measure omo?
Oh, na say me interact with omo koye di nkomo, ye ni omo kasa. You know, ebi obi wo ha na yaw ba ko mienu bi, ebia MPP bae no na opejuma bi, na ode tu mpanyimfo nim we nya asa akonya no internet no, you know, internet yaw kakra ho. But the alternative no, as we who say ye wo opposition, NDC for say omo GBBA boss, omo krapo omo nya ejuma. Ye pay juma e de mo mokran say obi anko tenefie say the ndc for na eba
omonkasa omode hihye omonkasa omode hihye ese fata egu akwan mu say uni bia wafa kwan so etua oka okwan bi so wonya kwanya wo adwuma bim wonya contract bia na ennam nhihye ene oman ne hihye ennam so pepepe no ibi pia wasi nche
omahene my deputy minister da na me deputy foreign minister ja president Akufo-Addo Adaroma na foreign ministry no omahene say you recruit a enye one day o it can take by a year first you be advertise or daily sim itu ko hu na ka say apply o apply ba be first test who we abesa be tro so hwebium ye wia na panel abetena se na ebisa wonsem wo ya no wia ye say medical Sanyi me netimi take be 1 year. It is a assuming say wo na omahene wo na person ejuma foreign ministry. Na o sha say wo apply in January.
Jo sha say enne match here.
Next year match. It is a babesi somewhere in France on the 7th. Na yes you having gone through all the processes. What your exams you know what pass it. Ya interview one no the way akasa no woni mojuma a opese obeye yeko hospital ko ye medical check up mo jansem ubi bia da kama wo heartbeat ni ade woni yare boni bia ni ade enti sese e ba be fa wejuma no bi ba no be ka se essence say letter of appointment ya tro so 7 and 8 niti kona koti ne fia omahene is it fair to the person? It's not fair. And then your foreign ministry nko iti na make say oko GRA oko Ghana Water oko GNPC a lot of the quasi government agencies this is what has happened. Ebi krapo no do letter from chief of staff say from 7th and beyond ebi krapo ya back date na October knowing say a process and one day then a process it takes time. It omahene ya de ya kan so muntia ye hwe 2028 beba eba ye de kukromoti ene ye de bechere because it's not fair. NDC won the elections based on some of kache Ghana for say eba bebu na omunye adwuma de be pay adwuma amamaye na se say no o yi MPP for fi ho na the NDC for abeche ho e say Robbie Peter na their people.
Is that the case?
That's what's going to happen.
When people don't go through legitimate processes.
Oh, okay, so when people don't go through, then when go through legitimate process.
This time,
when
the letter from the chief of staff says that for good governance to be promoted and to be sustained, contrary to the rules and regulations, it will not be accepted under a resetting government. Clearly so.
All government agencies be to say GNPC. To say Ghana Water, to say GRA, omo human resource department, omo ye well equipped. Sometimes they be crap omo outsource. Yeah, they are renowned companies to do the recruitment on behalf of these companies. Oko SNET any other. That's what they do. And having gone through the processes, now Babeka say process I go through no nenya. Adenti na rather no audit the process in the first. Into audit the process first. Into audit the process first. Now, already do cry no. Say protocol no de buy. One go through one choice exams nibi. An exams no call choice no failure. And I interview no cry na no when to me enyi nsem na no. Into onunti no. Na o kaso bi anko tenefie. Afa na ba be audit. It's not fair. Na nipa anko tenefie den no di. Oma hini den no be di. Enkrofo efi people have moved from baby and naturally and commodity. Say be obi fi abrem, obi fi achima fosu, obi fi mikrom. Na wenya opportunity e waka. Say be a GRA. Oni ntino we fi ho ne maame atonton ne ntoma ya pe gold e bi visit gold and ya di makosi awa. Wa be rent down wakra. Now say uncle fie. Esan say we appointment letter here from the 7th and beyond that.
But,
is it fair?
But you've been in government. In fact, you've occupied a revered positions in government. Deputy Minister, no less than Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You've represented the country Ghana or South Africa. When a chief of staff says that there be after December 7th, and among two be a abaya ufis to utuno and our tuno. Ebe affect and ebe solution so me abaya me baso ti jaide o ye no nye baako jaide o ye no enye mienu jaide o ye no o ti da bi me se fata if say 2 minutes so kura me ntino me ye payment me fe nipa me ye say o ti da bi measurement ti ase o so ebi nsi da around
two issues na dey abom yen chichem baako ene say my cite example say me my ejuma of foreign ministry da into minim the way ye fe nipa of foreign ministry and amaka process na chon it takes a year into say in January one name say MPP Belusi elections no Dr. Julius Jabra know him so be chief of staff in January he didn't know no be him into say process na shall say January February March April na be see December na be see 7th na you can't say esan say oh, you ever talk about on the 7th na NDC do kunim nintino. What the appointment letter mana? Oh, revoke it. That's wrong. But say, we start initiative process no somewhere on the 8th. Let's assume say you talk about on the 7th we and NDC do kunim. NDC do kunim. Na na on the 9th of December. Na Minister of Foreign Affairs say okay. Say in the papers, mon publish it. You ba be finipa.
enye papa.
Any okasa de me no ya adwen. Some major payments be wo I say government and our agency be making yenfa bust yenfa GNPC e bia
to keep the company going
e bia omo de kan fa some de ka be $10 million now after 8 December CEO of GNPC say sa $10 million e ba bit unim just a quantum of money sa sika ye yifi economy na inti wo ye bibi say there suspect but say e bia GNPC workers on my ejuma abusumi aso esi etu omoka de you can say you lose elections into no untu omoka before people must leave into what we are saying is that processes na ye in ye share after the 7th no and the oka say omonko tenefia na yeti ase but na ye share a year before ne de omahene ne in no waka my call metia so wa onim country be new amen koda may represent or Mpensenpensenmu in so many countries, so many conferences near the ABC that this is a Ghana.
I see. What would you call Wasa Amenfi East Municipal Assembly coordinating director Unimu. Coordinator Kena Kwajuma Utifi na Oshara office. Also chair council.
Why name your office? Already I'll pay you my temper. Even
8:31 Fifi. When the motor crack by 8:25, 8:35 no.
That's a TV so office.
TV office. It was all best this. Eti the honorable king a hard renew. If we said the air caution a giant share, I had to say the emrano yebu ye gusu. The toss me sir. I said the party chita for no shit. Yeah, I've been there 2 minutes. More new we are any more but chia yamutino. It's like party dictation more than what the country's constitution says we should do. What can I say?
So Omaya Medasi. Naminchia senior Naminchia Ashefo. Naminchia a party paying for the leadership of National Democratic Congress. And the good people of Wasa Amenfi East. Mama Makwenya Ametia. The constituency executive. Enemy Mahi. Amenfi Mahi. Tetre kwa mwasechi. Otosumi no ne atranko nyina. Omai nkomo ayedi no. Oya yedi ni si amempe. De mepesi yedi ni se Andra de esi ye ne na enye nti ene mema yen continue. But ebi a waba kroma foforo no. Afi na obedi Ghana man yosemechi no. Obeye se yewra mahama baaye na de esi
we esi na.
Enti sa ABC just after 2016 election 2017 and another bedi ade na ABC nti ye nyina ye nka se enye sada na me pese eye senior or starting comodie no said ye na now do danko akufuado ya ban ye ba ya ye ra osafo manfo eye senior minister even in his vetting process no or to me ka say omo aban fa omo eye NDC aban form ye be yi omo di no eye public knowledge no na enye nti de yera mahama be ti eye resetting there mema ye enye dada ni bi but o man the MPP for ye twemu dada na enye na yera John Dramani Mahama ni NDC ye I say okay say chief of staff issue eye communicate e ba bonten na me I'm a member of Interior and Defense Committee onim say e beto aba no man recruitment be break so a omo advertise
agencies
security agencies
recruitment
aye 2024 year say you can say be more training
recruitment course
obi more training this year you can ask your team to check who call what is it asinfosu immigration for check ye ka say ya nti unim de eba wo ho ampa wo say o constituent wa frel e say minua bi amene no ho omo frel no ma na call military o ko we no na boden na me say o me member of parliament ba me ni mo hwe ampa so na evidence about say pa no e wo we e na ama scammers ne so de omo ho agim into o wa bon see tap into ebi a Facebook and ade we mo say obi afrownable na me ni udi nkomo say me ba na o ka so onye wa na me na forms ba out that bay and this is what went on into even as part of our last meeting by say see ye didi a adan na omo ye recruit enyi omodi and one senior officer in my advice at the committee level said no obi a oko eye training no okodu some month na okoyi na the person tend to be
yes they won't need the what you
exactly
exactly
but on the same way nso na she mo by say the process say the recruit here na acquire political recruitment because man you and I him say additional wasamen fees baby omo was senior constituent baby nti normally abrem nti aye advertising ni apply and through the right process nti we no man na ban ba no so yi o ma wa ye bone ana nipa na o kono kra ne background check here and saying and now we party in Indiana but that's not what is happening. What is happening is share appointment that you obi mo dina o see your probation period as far as our CD probation period there you bet me withdraw anytime but yen hwe say Ghana for ye create adwuma mo no so no yen koyi obi o ye qualified if only you are qualified you are good to go so man they bypass ye yin kofo adi a teacher for a nurse for ni ade ni nyina akofom because na enye no kre
Dabi mo na mo asesa ma adwene ana ehu abomo ana ehu achimo ana teacher for ni nurse for mo ntimi fa mo nsanka ana ase na enye no kre because krata ba abonti a okay nka ese revocation ese termination and block enti either say mo dwane mo asema mo kan ye ana mo gel mato oboko ana say mo hu say na mo ntu na mo tu no it's better to do auditing ansa na audit wi a when we said there be communal sanity certificate no di wure mboko no boa or BT system no umpia na nsi nche maybe so
but me that say it's never so because see man with executive power ekrom hayete no your man with executive power what me hear the open even though we are in the democratic dispensation
who was 2 minutes or the open
one example
remember the kind wo be example no but say ya adusua e ma yinti no ye ma sa tumi na
ekrom ha
ye ma sa tumi na emra bo ho ban se wona montu ye careful nemom ye wo excesses be wo e kire say
exactly and na do abreso
yes
I don't think
but admit that unya sa executive power
na admitted admitted I don't think you say ye hwe de etua ya ye nwimu nam so
who hwe de etua ya de we were born nam tete ni pra basa
omahe enti si ye din komo se na ye nuano MPP for omahe almost starting sa aya me mpele sa na aya me den if you say to me ba so wo krom how in America no
yes
you almost complaining and then omo breso e bi see
yes
they said the same to me na ye Ramahama enya no but as dan Kenya me say Ghana for to Obama president otie de ne manfo ka president why you ready to serve now mine you can see here reset na almost you omunye ni ye if it is broken fix it akwan e be fa so fix no omunye di na mo hwe
e na mo ye no
esale o mine hwe omo kan appointment aden na ba ya I'm a member of parliament and even I was also a member on the defense and interior committee on the 8th parliament intin kaye recruitment o mine me amete committee so committee once na say MPP recruitment ana oji onu fi wana senior honorable say oko ministry of air foreign affairs omo ye recruitment etumi take ye waye ejuma won ntimi doubt no but mine institution ahe any recruitment take ye iwo krom ha institution ahe na de esi o mine na nyame ejuma waye adabi akoso ye ne say o ka say abra wo hwe transition no ekoso no we gave them several warnings
nye baako
nye mienu mo antie why
governance is a continuum
so e hona chichi no wono
exactly
e hona chichi no wono because ono so budget we say yes January 7th 2025
midnight
and I say me to me am onyina no me je mu boko
yes
also so say ye to abawie ye na December 7th na me di gugu na no ma me nya hwe me ntwa copy January 7th that mo
o man yan kan sa
good
statutory payment onto me ka say obi aye adwuma ye untua the process anomo ye see the ono mention ye ne say payment bulk payment be onto me untua go to the Ministry of Roads and Highway the last time the minister was on the floor even our minister able minister he had to force into just at an answer when he came he mentioned say the payment are now by year even though omunim so mo kono just to zero the coffers see the buy ho be but there are some payment as we believe governance to be continuous no yes I will try say we dey minua ba obeye so man nkomo we dey a na yendi ne see ye o ma ba pa no se de esi no ye nua no padwuma de esi ye nura ne nye de a enen so mema ye nye na nkoye se efe na BC na nempo no hwinsi ye Omahe, there are political appointments BSC Ramahama Moye as we speak. In 6 years, I can say, a bit more go to Ghana, is it airport? Almost see also.
Oh,
the woman is there.
It's funny, Mimi.
You Mimi.
Oh, Mimi.
Omahe.
And then don't be surprised. In fact, what would you about my Sure. And Ghana Airport, I don't want to say a monkof. We can't wait to from him because people will go there to pull her out of the office.
Me before feed the points you say. Me before feed the cases you say.
So the intelligence community decide where and be alert. Because
Boba.
Oh,
NC.
Sure.
Obi be away na oh, minister. Obi biara
minister
former what is it
minister
sorry menya o share o mine obi biara na adwen say obekọ office akọ attack bi onjai because ye to Obama President Mahama onu onim de oye ye hwe no the right will be o mine o say make us am see ye hwe de etu aya
enam de ne be bedi
o mine it's democracy no aden na ya breso ne start. That's why I'm for count. But I did be a starting fee baby. You say
we have breastfeed
yes. But you starting fee baby near corners answer Ghana begu. It ain't nyina ye bomb. Near support His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because another down kwaku for the address the FCABC now coming rare commission. And Ramo by before our committee, finance committee, on a minister a year to force him. Omo be share won't come my yedi won. And here you see me who na many do you know why? Senka me NBC ni ayato abewie no. Enka sidi na na dan kwaku for admo ye no. Kan pese e be yi no naka ebi oye competent qualified Ghanaian. Not necessarily NBC ni koye adwuma because normal na was so okrom ha no. But option is submission. Na wo hwe na yi a say owo
okutanim no.
Na so onye MPP ni.
Okutanim die no.
Onye MPP.
Okutanim die no.
Na ye di komo na mo yesa. Na do abreso obi bia wo ne SY Mahama ana ewura mo se adwuma bi oba obesake. I don't want me to give the names of those people. Oh my, you walk Roma. Say me and I don't like that politics because we have to build a nation. Obama constituency. Me on mine in 2016, just after the election, I was at DC. They came and attacked me. It took military escorts. So I'm me ba takwa mama to asoba.
Oh, no, official sir.
On mine DC 2016. Me ba was I'm very young.
Chairman.
Yes.
I don't want
Oh my, say when this is the biggest platform. The constituency. Police commander then was police commander Mwaku. He was slapped. In someone say me constituency, when you have opportunity like this, I mean fees asumdwe where you give a good picture. That's what happened.
Slapped.
The police commander then, Commander Amwako, was slapped. And the way military buy no discipline rough. He took the no a lady, the military commander, the one who lead troop mom no a lady. They disciplined them. Them batakwa na me koe. So here to about we as we were saying, so who may be board of me constituency. Who me opponent so there. I told them any executive chair said you the year even 2020 I'm winning year say I won as MP but my president lost. And so I'm going to tell me big board in able me say no, we shouldn't do that. Into my constituency here. Baby, I made the won't say me open a DNA so as we speak. Now, simple no more from to my median baby in Ebubu. It's a semi queen because we have to build a nation and the resetting agenda. No, and you say Kota Unia Koyadio, the Ghana for one show how MPP are binding you come. Oh, no more dear buy, see me you move him. And then it just say you're John Dramani Mahama buy or my 2 months year woman. One disappointing. Shangwan Wadia Yera to forcing. Obey the parliament in the presentation of the budget. Omahin, Osha, I say Bosha, yes, the Ghana phone within this space. Omahin, budget ebay, Nanka baby or mind yakudu, a comma giant. Any government beyond Quebec say, what is it? Yes, share bed, no. Into Quebec introduction of new taxes. But say no, in levy. And no, I'm here, your mammy, Ajwa Safwa. The biggest platform, Enrichi. Now say, hey, now sign any power be one MPP. Or see, she stood against it, even she was a leader then.
Madam, when I say MPP, NDC member of parliament, they might be below person because who be by Koso.
See the movie. See the movie. See and she said, Papa, man, you come a businessman. Look at the business confidence, Abba. So look at even the cedi dollar relationship.
When there's a change of government, automatically, and President Kufuor in fact, in the case of President Kufuor, I was also for the Asaf market, absolutely. In this case, the entire different crowd and say, and no matter cost, but people are not complaining. Yes, I change way. That is why it is dangerous to abuse that change, the goodwill now. The dynamics. In the case of President Kufuor, people willingly, in the case of John Dramani Mama, His Excellency, and you want Dokro Boko, where Obi and Fahon, electricity board, and Fahon, because you're for now, you're pay John Mahama and NDC, you're pay. But pay a pen on say. As I said, most of them when you go pay, President take advantage. They call abuse.
On come where they do. Now they all can't say, President Kufuor they na a different. They say President Kufuor Bano, you were coming out from Osha Beka say military or semi-military Zali because na Rollins factor na kasa. Even though
about the budget.
No, me even though near free what is it autocratic military rule now dictatorship still no really not. A section of Ghanaians feel say still no. Yes,
so Nicholas, your finance minister admits an economy was not challenged because of if you leave behind 5.7 against your projection.
Oh my minimum say any ebedi comment me ba me di me note by enu nie.
Me put the me cry budget na kasa.
Me budget. Okay, the ebedi comment
me cry budget na
kasa. Oh my comment we no we di civil Ghana for.
Okay, so be any ehu.
Oh my pacho me da say. Do you know why? Wo hwe ba bi o man yi ko ya one. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the credibility, the leadership star no, and ama ekroma ayedin si de na kamanfo nim say ye backro obeye no say no, that's not the way to go. It's not part of the resetting agenda. But wo hwe omo ko no, omo say omo bosi so omo jai what is it? GDP of what is it?
5.7.
5.7. Omo why? 5.7 because onim say for 2022, 2023, 2024, we were not servicing our external debts. Oma mpacha wote ase. Pohwe 37% cut on our external bond holders no. Oma what is due to be paid them into ya? We were not servicing our debts. Into oma esa otuwe. Wo de ka esa okotua. Ne ka no, wo se ahokyira ba. Ho edin to waye hyehyɛ so ano so o. Okay, we dey me ma obe 5 years ni na wo de atua wo ka no enti wo sika bia wo ye adwuma wonya na ene no ukotua wo ka wo company na be den ebegu they should tell us say e kase no mu jaya sa no moko we were not servicing our external bondholders interest we were not servicing it too omahene ye wo krom ha aban am ye debate ara meti omasi o the admission say omahene obeye domestic debt exchange program no is admitted say economy no magija no
ahokyira ba no
ahokyira ba ye se omahene wako na wako pem no hu de waye omahene ye nyina yakọ IMF but MPP na nado danko akufado omo na omo ya aban omo ba parliament omo ka che say IMF de ye nko Ghana ye say so omo kọ no na oxygen si omo so this is aban ya oba ye no oba power no say ye yakọ 2015 no so they came and enjoy 2017 as ansa na ye fimu omo sa ba wie no so na omo sa IMF a almost had the haircut abekroma.
No, yeah, buy no, so now you and IMF.
They make a
extension.
But you make out masia. Yeah, IMF. Yeah, kono. Yang for domestic debt exchange program be amba. Yang for haircut anya de amba. It move enjoy. See the amount inflows no. Yes, we are coming to enjoy. But more enjoy IMF when you were coming. More is it in so no.
More are the 2 areas I know she
exactly more is it in sustain mo jaye I can buy more kono so mahene ye kono buy a stabilization fund mu a o mahene $250 million in dem o buy a sinking fund mu a eye foto a o de ka eye achigire se obenya bi atua no $370 million no mu fi mu no mo ja $67 million the same fund no o mahene ujo no fu ayeja esla energy sector levy for two ebe take care of ye energy 177 mo kon mo jaye den ye ade on two oil field mo kon mo jaye den infrastructure development fund $250 million no mo kon mo jaye den
but don't delete the issues that we're confronted with as a country and as a world also believe that na ye ka say sa na ma we edi enya covid na di enya Russia and Ukraine di ba near downplay the impact of these two major incidents in the world no on mine obi obe downplay bia na sebi we ni nukura ma yen say enye Ghana nkwa na to wiase nyina ina wo hwe America Germany big economy ni square na e the shock ba mu but the question is na ye Ghana nkwa ade na ye inflation food inflation to me 52% under Nanado's administration when you were leaving office inflation here in Ghana na like mine the jamo 15% share unemployment rate during our tenure. They will say, so, what is it? Unemployment graduate something. But what was then? It was single digit, 8.4%. When they were leaving office, Omahin, I don't know, but now I'm not going for Abaso. Yeah, cathedral sem. Yeah, Omahin, Manusino, Manusi. Omahin, ye Jomo Buffets, you know, Omo Coden or Mudijai, Oko ECG. Omahene ekego 68 billion okokoko 32 billion omahene oko rose campaign you have been elected and appointed to fix the situation.
We are not complaining.
Okay, so
see a magana for how I better ye. Near the share papa say, e levy ye, esla ye, ya the share papa back. Ya cut your money, as some boy abaso say. In the history of this Fourth Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and our promises for the 60 minutes by Yajuma. Oh, this so.
Okay,
so
I say President Mahama said the 60
ministers by Yajuma.
Odiso.
Na 60 ministers he over presidency or appointed portfolio be appointed director or it is or appointed minister of finance who called Jubilee House and as I say most of
Jubilee House and I want to call
I'm some Sisano
Jubilee House
okay
yeah chichiro my Jubilee House
Jubilee House
who
called Jubilee House you will be a director finance on so or appointed minister for agriculture. No, I can say, oh, yeah, fund deputy. But I Jubilee House, you will be so in charge of agric. Regions in the Sahara, why? On nunti, and I complain, say, what say, who pretty lean government. And so, I had for the Kakaka. Men Castle, my name. What
kind of measure?
Don't say, nobody knows time.
Lean government, no. Just say, Sika, Omo, and Honorable Felix Kwachofusu. Ministry, I will say, Unkwana Daho. Ministry, Unkwana, one in Nipam, you be overcome. Over 78 million citizens. Over 78 Ghana million citizens. And I'm going to cry. Apart from that, na can say, or mind chichireno, continuum. Obi beshasia na watu aso. Company be or mind we a businessman, and I say the Adom FM couple mouse rania. Oba company be your assets and your liabilities. And I'm a boy. Into Oba Adom FM po na be say be a car or what. At least your to machine wa ha, your camera wa ha. Your lighting system wa ha, your screens wa ha. Sanya mawe na your assets. Even building no crap, dining crap, program assets ma company no. Into soba now see oh kawe and I kawe and ye kawe na nipa na ewo mniswe. What about assets na companies no so ama kwa niswe? Ano so den na oka. Oh ba ni nyama aka so ba beye. Eno ni expect so ba beye. Oh ba o se dokono ebo. 5 cedis na ba obeti so about 2 cedis dokono boy saying 7 cedis afa na yakosoro o ba o si odumso no o de dumso de enya asema o ba obedumso e betwem John Mahama din honorable excellency John Dramani Mahama o boni din a e dumso because any idea obi a e de kai no o kwa abrem o ba ni micro ma abrem a every day dia you dum light you dum kania. Every day, my friend electricity ECG manager no maybe sounds I then more problem be. I no say dey fee ensem, age ensem, o efisro. Every day be omudum kania. Ema enkrofo enwinwi nipa kasa. Me wa mo anam ka se mo ba mo be. Check inflation and depreciation of the cedi or against the dollar or come. More ba ye handi over Ghana ema mo. Na dollar Ghana cedi to the dollar na saying. Cedi to the dollar na saying and ye ka say you hand over economy emamo na cedi to the dollar na about 14 cedis 12 pesos and then 16 cedis 16 Ghana cedis in there and so first 14 cedis 12 pesos just 2 months ebiom eba busia mo ba mo ya boka mo ba ma bo busia 60 billion Ghana cedis 60 billion me na make a choma hene busia ma bon just within 2 months 60 billion and they are back a kana or claim say Ghana for edi ye ja NDC for now way abanya ye kasa na busuma kibi intel misraw honorable eja ye do parliament or me senior ho ba ha de misraw don't go there member okra because e ba amambuo a chenye ma yakoso wa Ghana is Ghana hu Indra me pon parliament na me no wa namfofo o colleagues NDC MPs na yeah any etete say hey ya Bank of Ghana governor ya boy run fie the Jakpa wa borrow the soldier from Copetio, omo mawoni shot wo any ade. Oma ko ya set ya name pass ya kon the bathroom ni ya set ya say piska wo. Governor of the Bank of Ghana. Is this the democracy we voted for you to come and practice? Research no and then when you say this same Jakpa and the court honorable Kenufurate fie only the onslaught as a rambo match say just a soldier for ankasa no mukofie ho ye kan president Mahama say wante Ndra Bank of Ghana the SAC still on ya omahene adom de obiate and the program e ko chire obiache ende me gina ufidie so akache President John Dramani Mahama say reset agenda na kasa oba baye onunti Ghana for to abanima o no enye ondum ena wo ye so onte ya ndra ye ko Bank of Ghana governor fie soldier for kretio omo rasaki fie ho ye tetene CCTV cameras na because we don't pass evidence in about sena Kenufurata de ne bae it is CCTV ye tetene ne fie ho ye see episka e wo ho mo ko mo bisa no so minis ade me na me ya banjuma se me nya banjuma biom minis ka bia ha still on man tiasie
okay so
way any abaya ye kan na musumu kebi.
Okay, so my boss, remember Musubi, but the Beka Honorable Nicholas was serious. Or anybody in the party, so no, all Casano, when you are digest radio can. But my matches can see a *281# option 4, take it in the back here 5 Ghana city. Gusutra, with the Gusutras are *281#. Now for option 4, take it in here 5 Ghana city. My main count say a Komula break, game pack for Daruma, almost only a dinkomo. Ye babaka. Na fi abeto en common so e wa na fi Manchester na fi e page but MBY me cousin so kuna wo Capital Radio kan no ene ye kase me wo fa ayo papa e da fom weekend ya e wo eye donyina ho na ye be kwa kodi say adwan he man asem ke e ba make mo asem e da cho ye kwaba. Well yaba ye to en common so I say me cousin enchebia me chemsi kan ntino ye crowd na bibianko kama enfamba. We say happy birthday, fellow Pan-Africanists on this special day. I celebrate not just your life, but your unwavering commitment to the Pan-African cause. Your passion for unity, progress, and the liberation of our people is truly inspiring. May this new year bring you strength, wisdom, and greater opportunities to advance the vision of a thriving and empowered Africa. Keep the fire of Pan-Africanism burning. Wishing you a year filled with purpose, success, and joy. Happy birthday once again. Kofi Atakakra Kusi, Deputy Director, Domestic Marketing, Ghana Tourism Authority. Era Party Kote. And actual, in some kama say, dear bro. And from Abram, it's just we admire you, admire now, Faye. Now admire Obrim Pombo didn't know for in Muslim admire nipa bear 6. When the text message about Pam Fancy my family in Apnabakana. They said they really admire you. Obrim Pombo didn't it. Also, honorable Damina was. So, honorable, yes,
Nana make an Osha your budget team. Page 28. Finance Minister no eka say obeye minister nansen oha na obiaba also hwe finance minister esi obrem oba no kra receipt osi o aban de mekao no so sa no achro oha na fofraba oh aban de mekao oh sa no achro sa wenya 49 billion.
Hey
yes sana finance minister eka chai osi encrofo ba the receipt. Oh, am I in making? Oh, am I in? Me say,
yes, why you ambassador Pan?
Oh, am I in? Aden, me say finance minister.
Talking about Dr. Forcing.
Oh, baby, I no call parliament. Me share in life, me tie in life. Or say, or call the office as minister. Or na obi the receipt aba. So, oh, I buy the maker. Oh, sir, oh, je fabra. Na ya tro. No, into okikabo no. I about 49 billion.
But what has that got to do with what you wanted to receipt about?
I say, intino, all banner or train a car, MPP are buying ye jato hold. Or the SARS no 49 billion.
No.
Omahene.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh, Omahene. Omahene, former High Commissioner.
Of course,
His Excellency Charles Isiakon Radio.
That's what I'm saying.
I can't mint na platform kesiye so. This is the biggest platform in Ghana. Na min Detroit.
That the finance minister said so.
Messi
and has added up to the cost.
Now we say minya no and once minya wa edi ontimi kasa.
Oh, Casanti, no. Or say,
oh, na we need the aba, oh, na we receipt aba, oh, na into what cat I receipt na boom. And I have 49 billion in the Sakano. So, or the Abeka Ghana for. Yes, bay. Obia wa deputy finance minister da. So, ho na obi the receipt we poba. On what it? On fifi mu. Dina ni panatro no nhwe ebi kropo be hen no bi kropo ko cut and paste bi na odi akobo ho na we kra no u audit wie na na genuine no na odi aba na odi receipt awagisi nya no keka bomu o se oba bitua Omahene we share page 84 of your budget here and minister nankasa NDC for nankasa de baya o say page 84 last paragraph o say or be fully implement the net freeze on employment. The person Chenny say, a Juma Semni dear, we bubnu na o Ghana, na o Jane say, and that John Dramani Mahama buying Ubenye Jumaya. Forget it.
For this specific year, and I say, oh,
for this year. It's a budget annual. It is for this year. It is a we youth, we are bar, we are Bema, we are youth. O Ghana, na utie and ne, now we need a sobi. Said President John Dramani Mahama buying you be found itimum this year. Forget it. Intina omo Robbie Peter to pay Paul.
What does that mean?
Intina no more yani say MPP for now ya bre oma go through the process oma exams ya go interview.
Oma imba chome interview uti o say MPP for now.
Oh mami wie.
Maka say Ghana for.
Say me say MPP.
What say MPP for now? Omo forward man. Na me shout. For being honest.
MPP are buying so. Omo ye form. MPP are buying so. Omo ye form omo ye ejuma. Na so MPP ni kwa ponye Ghana ni.
Oye Ghana ni.
MPP no ye Ghana ni.
Oye Ghana ni. NDC ni say Ghana ni.
Oba shepo na yire NDC ni. Oba shepo na girlfriend NDC ni. And so momo nhwe ho. Inti sound crofon ye.
But what did you read there?
Oh, let me read it. I say, fully implement the net freeze on employment. Now, as my person, oh, page 84.
But this is auto forcing here.
Oh,
there's no freeze on public sector employment.
Oh,
that's the finance minister. Says the minister of finance. Let's compare. Maybe always plan.
The
Minister of Finance, Dr. Toforson, has refuted claims that the government has imposed a freeze on public sector employment, assuring that recruitment into key sectors will continue as needed. Yes. The minister's comment comes on the back of concerns over limited job openings in the public sector, with fears of potential restrictions on recruitment. Toforson, however, reaffirmed the government's commitment to job creation, particularly for the youth, and pledged to enhance employment conditions across various sectors. And then the finance minister dismissed speculations of a hiring halt, describing such reports as unfounded and misleading. And I quote him, "There is no freeze on employment," he stated, reassuring Ghanaians that public sector job opportunities remain available, contingent on economic needs and sectorial priorities.
Omahene, when the preparation of a budget, your budget now, what they all technocrats.
Exactly.
Na the budget is prepare IMF for no meaning feel no it is a document answer not beban it is a document in ditro mo bibia ye ko chese projen ye ditro nti o presented this budget our parliament
and you come to see
your hazardness capture we are the second term ni wa ko 8 or 9 parliament ni say hazard capture we are it's a sac bonica with sacrosanct coding the say you hwie na so wie na obetena Adom FM obetena Adom TV na kaso enye sa na me pese me kire oh na
so change effect the change
in the budget Omahene effect the change in the budget. Because you call ni a debate here, a budget no. And you know what can radio so what could that platform be or
so you don't believe in the assurance that he's giving?
No, I believe in the budget. Or say budget na clear. You see, said this year why doing say obenye edwuma bi aye wo ye youth wo ye mbegnu wo ye oba wo ye bema na wo ni daso bi say afia ye wo 2025 President John Dramani Mahama aban wo benye edwuma bi aye forget it
to me
nada
enti nipa na omanfa kwan pa so ye yi o ma fi nyuma nim
omahene affecting kofo bebre omahene say wo ye aha wo me sure say we are part of senior management say obi ba na obepe juma more advertiser you look at the competence after all nipa no kropo ye ganeni no matter this nipa ni ye ganeni obehyense na meka no we ase ayo na gane we intermarriages obo akra be he na yire ye NDC ni ono ye MPP ni enti o hye essence under MPP government ye fa ni nti no ye MPP ni ono nti no nkofie dia
na ye NDC ni so
obecheko na NDC ni. Because Minimobi was a certain company, NDC ni hardcore. Why ye campaign ama NDC? As I say, NDC ni buy ya fire no.
Honorable Nicholas, a better than what my case in the Minister Chirimo Baha, and they are captured the war.
Mammy, oh, I'm
waiting a man minister didn't chemu by. Yeah. Now when so a call Magana for who say before so be fan in Pejuman. I say oh she be a mine jina. Isikasem. And it's a free BB clearance from the Ministry of Finance. Inti can be before say ya fenipa ya yinedi ya yese no. And common issue say as part of your budget, no, this was the money allocated to your befriend per 1,000 and send your fee office. Omahi, and nothing that the right thing needs to be done. Now you're offending Pakras, you are saying now. Omo aye for more in your money now. Are we not going to pay them? Almost on say in their budget, what provision was made for Omosari? Omahi is never like that. Budget here, be on himself, your mid-year budget review. Omahe, as this budget what presented your mid-year budget review and you say Omahe, this is the government Omahe, this is the government Omahe, this is the government our bar. It's not Mr. Timika say you bear burden sharing nanso ene e-levy amode buy and ye fuel betting tax oman ye fuel emo oman ni mu ahoto abem oman ye kasa no oh one tie mama adwo asafo ana o se onam kwan na o hwe obi ototo bode na na do danko akufu ado aban a onwe mobrohu I said to what day no the boom mine no oman he yes akogini e-levy ono oye nyamesum ni no na ne yam hyehye no is the reason why I stay away now oda is excellency John Dramani Mahama obona baso say last week we talk about there oman he obeyi we nya fi o entino mu yi fi wa ne be oman he and then no can say kenke 7 kenke new 7 5 ti number busa say on say on frezi buzuazi or omo ye say exactly omo class of people no e bi omo ba bi omo to omo kenke 8 series I know na yes 7 series 7 but omo ye 3 series now friends on na me one ya no mind okay ya me then so say MPP for ya file omo is the reason why I'm coming back to me ba. Hey, we are buying oba. The bar a civil servants. Say like local government for we are. There should be national publication. And you see they advert Adom TV. Ma obi o twapia se ani amoti the rank. Onya kwanya no. Enko ye say ni papa na ni nua ye MPP panyin. Na enne nyame na ama wo ka say MPP for a form. You are John Dramani Mahama. No,
because you're former under NPP government. NPP are buying in a form.
We need a proper resetting because even in our reset, one of the challenges is that we are, whether deliberately or unconsciously, politicizing the public service.
It's already been done.
It's dangerous for us as a country.
Man, which is bad.
It's already been done.
Which is bad.
It means the see a resetting here.
Exactly.
Because precedence has always been the yardstick or measurement.
Yes.
In the case of the MPP, maybe it was not exposed that much. Fifi Boafo, and then also bempa. You know?
Yeah.
But in the case of the resetting agenda, we've gone beyond the seal in terms of appointments that we've given.
You know, baby,
even
to the level of electoral commission. Which is exceptional.
And no me kun say
I know what kind of man for. No what kind.
Me kun sa. And that's why I said I was disappointed in the Council of State then.
Exactly.
They said that idea omu answer the qualification.
Exactly.
Baby chase campaign to come on see the
exactly. And as a better crowd, yenye tax dia. Better tax no. It's much already. Mula for.
Come there.
Mama we see Edgar all the best of United States. Well, Asante for more Baltimore. Munim say dey me mama nana efia tema kuna du yadom. Nyame yadom a wotena konya kese so Asante ma wo Baltimore. It's Asante for now. This is great occasion. Pamcho omienko join na yenko share ye mama animunyam. Edgar oni ebusuafo nyina monko tai me mama achi so mama okwanso nkoso kra me ndane kwasi da dress code no dey wa onim so dress it kama na we are continue Baltimore. That's a good opportunity for you. Now roll it. I'm counting down. 3 2 ha and easy. Me begina one no na what a problem no no. And then the camera trying to begin our bro trying in a 1. So that's the winner. Winner here 0546800. So I want the other because it's why I would say every French be 0546800 star. And Chibia, you've won for yourself something big and I'll pay all the movement. It has all the real dino, you know, Tosman bed 2 3 another associate diakari TAB. And whilst we are waiting for the winner and anybody come on, wrap up comments. We said the more and a more meeting. What's in bed?
Yes, giddy.
I didn't say Nessie.
In some day, you are not because they say Ghana. Ghana, are you? Ghana, you. Indra, my maybe I'm so shabla. What's the name of black? Oh, wow, Afrifa.
Oh, okay.
In solidarity with Okitiche.
In solidarity with Okitiche Afrifa. Jimu found Jim Kagala's old show.
Yes, you are. Because yes, you are. Nyama koso.
The movie and the idea. But that was it. You go with us. But don't want that.
My fan, I say, Kesema, Nano, Minyano, Menam for beer, what dream, Michamina.
All right, that's it. We don't want any complacent. I'm not mentioning that.